Top 40 opening the packet.
Open it fast.
Wait, man.
Oh, my hands are hurting. It's hurting.
Patience.
You want a bigger knife? Whoa!
Nice.
Whoa!
What is it?
It's a huge box.
Wait.
Lift it.
Oh, it's a heavy box.
Hey, comedy hand.
Okay, I'm not patient anymore.
Oh,
Whoa!
yeah, congratulations on being one of the 40 finalists for Comedy Hunt on YouTube. You've emerged like a phoenix through the ashes of college short films and those tangent videos your relatives made you shoot and edit. And you can only fly higher from here. The next couple of months are going to be tough, frustrating and absolutely amazing. Get ready. In the meantime, enjoy your special box of awesome. This is what you need to do with it. Shoot a video of you and your channel team unboxing its contents.
We are doing that.
Title it Comedy Hunt Unboxing #Super40. Upload it to your channel and make it public on the 5th of August, which is when we announce the Super 40. Share it to all your your social media assets with #Super40 and finding funny.
Whoa! One mug! All of us drink from it at the same time. Hello!
You get the
Comedy
camera.
Hunt, please give us something more. We need to get us more mugs. Sorry, this is. But thank you very much.
Thank you.